news for customer care and social teams, you don't need to pick between AI or having an authentic voice on social. In fact, AI can give your team more time to create authentic connections with customers. You just need to know how to use it. Hey, I'm Carly. Let's get into how using AI and automation can actually help you win loyalty and delight customers at scale without making you sound like a robot. This is a huge topic, and we get way deeper into it in a blog post that you can find below. But consider this video your intro to AI customer service. And we can't talk about it without getting real about the awkward spot we're in with AI. On one hand, consumers are apprehensive about AI-created responses on social, which makes social and care teams wary of using it and losing trust. But on the other hand, the expectations on your team are only going up. 70% of consumers expect a company to provide personalized responses, not just fast ones. As expectations go up, so does your team's workload. They're answering questions, sometimes channeling their inner comedian to react to positive messages, tackling the negative ones, and passing along customer feedback. This is where you need AI, and there are so many ways you can get all of the benefits of it without sacrificing creating authentic human connections. So let's get into 5 ways to use AI and automation to wow your customers and to help your team do more. First up, over half of marketers plan on scaling social customer care with self-service tools, including FAQs and bots. So join the club and set up customer service bots. They can handle FAQs, so your team has more time for personalized support. You can use conversational AI bots, which learn from previous interactions and sound almost human, to lend authenticity to your brand responses. They can also be rules-based. Sprout's Bot Builder has templates that use rules you define to answer FAQs with auto-generated replies. Second, use AI to understand how your customers really feel. AI-powered sentiment analysis, like in Sprout's social listening solution, turns what your customers say into insights about how they feel, about your brand, products, content, even competitors. This helps you improve your care strategy and content, but the impact you can make on your whole business is huge. Share customer sentiment with other teams to improve your whole company's strategy. 3, experiment with using AI-created social responses to speed up your team. Keep in mind, you don't need to copy and paste the sentences that AI spits out, and you shouldn't. Instead, use what AI writes as a starting point. Then do your own edit to create personalized and on-brand responses. You can even save these responses as FAQs to reuse later. I used Sprout's Suggestions by AI Assist to help create the bones of what I just said. Could you tell? Next, AI tools like social listening can ID trends in digital customer conversations, which can give your care team's strategy and entire business a leg up. For example, the word cloud in Sprout's listening tool helps you surface common themes and topics customers are mentioning, which can help guide bot or FAQ answers or surface customer feedback. Finally, pick a solution that makes it easy to unify the customer experience with streamlined workflows. When it comes to who owns customer care, many businesses report that it will be shared between marketing and customer service in the coming year. This is great, but split responsibilities between teams can also create disconnected experiences, which is frustrating for customers. So get a platform both teams can access. Sprout helps you break down team silos with our case management solution, which automatically routes messages to the right teams or team members. We also have CRM and help desk integrations like Salesforce and Zendesk that help teams deliver consistent, personalized messages no matter what channel your customers choose. Thanks for watching. If you want to know how automation and AI customer service tools can help your business stand out with fantastic customer experiences, try Social Customer Care by Sprout free for 30 days.